Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to take a look at what's being described as a convoy of lights observed high in the sky on Christmas Day above northern Idaho. Have an excellent video of this probably 1,000-mile long row of lights. Also put together a new sky phenomena picture slideshow we'll get to here in just a minute. But first, back to the lights above northern Idaho observed on Christmas Day. I think they were also observed just before Christmas down here in Willow Creek, California. Ben sent me in a video of the same phenomena, or at least he was describing the same phenomena. He said what seemed like infinite lights. It was one after another after another. He had never seen anything like it. The video I'm about to show you from northern Idaho, I had never seen anything like it either. It could be associated with the Starlink constellation. If it is, it has grown exponentially. The video I'm about to show you shows a row of lights that's probably in the neighborhood of 1,000 miles long, and that could be an underestimation. The video was shared with me yesterday by an enemy of the lie. They posted their video to YouTube here. It was taken on December 25th at 5:36 p.m. and it lasts for 10 minutes. I'm going to put it in fast forward and you're going to see the longest row of lights you've probably ever seen. It's just incredible. In the description box, they go on to say they caught these on their surveillance camera that pointed at the sky in a westerly direction. There were a total of 40 lights, with number 8 and number 40 kind of off to the right. They weren't necessarily in a straight line. Took 10 minutes to cross the sky. We're flying west-southwest to east-northeast. Here we go. And when the first light appears over here in the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to put it in fast forward. It's now 5:36 p.m. on the video, and you're going to see these lights continue for 10 minutes. Just incredible. So there's the first one. That's one of 40. So I'm going to fast forward it now times 5. Here they come. The random stuff you see here in the video, those are snowflakes. There was light snow going on, but the skies were crystal clear. I don't know what that was. Something took off to the north. There's the one light, that's number 8 off to the right. You're also going to notice as these lights move across the sky, they're over here to the left. They're going to drift as a collection to the right. That's because the Earth is rotating. You're going to see the evidence of the Earth rotating in this video because of this massively long row of lights. Look at that, and it's just getting started. Just incredible. 40 lights, probably what? 40 or 50 miles in between each point of light. And again, I could be conservative. These are in low Earth orbit, what's known as LEO. And in order to be in LEO, you have to be, I think, at least 100 miles up in the air. So there's probably 30, 40, maybe 50 miles in between each light. I mean, you're talking 1,000 miles, maybe more, of lights. So if it is associated with Starlink, it has grown exponentially. There's a big gap between those two points of light right there. Then these are about the same. That one's a little longer than that one, but they're pretty close. Now it's 5:44, been going on for a solid 8 minutes. Now we're coming up on 5:45, and we're going to see lights 38, 39, and 40. See, there's a big gap between those two. There's 38, 39, and there's light number 40, and it is off to the right just a little bit. But when they first started, they were up here, and they've drifted to the right. That's because of the rotation of the Earth. They've been going on now for a grand total of 10 minutes. 5:46 started at 5:36. Just an incredible observation. And by the way, that is a very good sky cam you have there. I have one here, and anytime lights go over, I don't necessarily see them unless it's a fireball, and I have seen a couple of fireballs. But not only were these lights observed from northern Idaho on Christmas Day, they were also, from what I'm seeing here, noticed from the International Space Station's ISS live cam on Christmas Day. This was sent in by Alfredo. He noticed these black dots on the ISS live feed, so he took a screenshot. He had no idea about the video from northern Idaho. He noticed these and had the presence of mind to take a screenshot thinking that they could be some sort of a UFO or a satellite. And as it turns out, I think what they are, these are the Starlink satellites visible from the International Space Station. Just unbelievable. So what I did was put together a little video clip of the photo Alfredo sent to me of what looked like objects outside the space station. And I compare them to the lights seen above Idaho. And they do kind of match. See, these are in a semi-straight line outside of the International Space Station. Here's the lights above northern Idaho. And those lights have been seen all around the world, in Australia, Washington, Oregon, California, Canada, Europe. These lights are making the rounds around planet Earth, and they're also, from what I can tell here, visible from the International Space Station as well. And if you read up on Starlink satellites, they do make an effort to keep these things from interfering with ground-based observatories. And if you'll read here in this article that I've got linked below, they do make the base color of Starlink satellites black, if in fact that's what we're looking at here. And they are in low Earth orbit, which is a minimum of 100 miles in the sky. So it's hard to believe that that convoy of lights that we just saw is 100 miles up, orbiting the Earth in a line that's probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 1,000 miles long. Just absolutely incredible. I've never seen anything like it. Just amazing. Great video. Thanks for sharing. Now to get to the new sky phenomena pictures that have been sent in recently, and I'm still going through many, many more. I'd like to thank Dino for sharing the info about the tornado in California yesterday in Ventura County. Just an incredible scene. They don't normally have tornadoes in this part of the world. He sent me this radar loop of the storm system that we're actually getting now, and then multiple warnings. I had other people send me in screen grabs from the emergency alert that came out, from a tornado warning from the National Weather Service. Orange, California, December 26th, yesterday. Here's Long Beach, California, WENDYSONEHEARTWORLD of the storm system that probably went through yesterday. Here's some colorful clouds up near the sun or in the proximity of the sun. Once again, from Long Beach, California, WENDYSONEHEARTWORLD. Here's an incredible roll cloud from South Africa. Look at this thing. Now that's a roll cloud. Look at that. Just incredible. Sent in by Opa from South Africa. Great observation. Schuster from Luxembourg, Germany, of some very unique wavy clouds in the sky above Luxembourg. Got those yesterday. Chris from West Virginia. Photograph of the crescent moon. Madras, Oregon. Jennifer of a pink and light purple sky. Jason sent me in this panoramic of the sunset. Get a load of that. Just beautiful. Gloss Mountain, Oklahoma. Mia M. Another beautiful photograph. Pink, purple, golden skies. TUMBY Bay, Australia. Michael of yet another incredible sky at either sunrise or sunset. Look at that color. That's like almost a bright red. These next photos you're about to see are some of the most amazing cloud photos I think I've ever seen. Sent in by Mono Adam 1K. Look at that. Just spectacular. Not exactly sure of the location. I'm trying to find out now, but those are some amazing clouds and some amazing pictures. Great job, guys. Keep the photos coming. Dallas, Texas, Leslie R. Notice an unusual cloud up here in the sky, kind of very low all by itself. Southeast Michigan, Leslie, of some more purple and pink golden sunrise or sunset. Lincoln, Nebraska. Kim M. Iowa Kim, of some wavy clouds in the sky, almost look like gravity waves. Johnson City, Tennessee. Heather, of a couple of sundogs surrounded by a halo. Maryland sunset. B-Rad B. Sunbeams coming through the forest. Seminole, Oklahoma, another panoramic view of the sunrise. April B. All pink, pink and blue, much like this one here from Athens, Greece, sent in by Alex. Talk about all pink. That is a spectacular view from our friends over in Greece. Keep the photos coming, guys. If you have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. All of the photos end up here at the Sky Phenomena Photo Gallery. Sometimes I will use the photo in a picture slideshow, just like you saw right here. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.